take a walk on the coolest secret bridge on Cape Cod. Next.
CapeCast.
Howdy folks, I'm Eric Williams and welcome to CapeCast, the official webcast of the Cape Cod Times. We are deep in the woods of Wellfleet atop what may be the wicked coolest secret Cape Cod bridge. Why? Because it's in the middle of the woods. There's a murky river running underneath it. There's a rope that helps you go over these old planks and stuff. Whoa. I spoke with Bill Burke of the Cape Cod National Seashore, and he said this bridge is possibly a remnant of the days when this area of Wellfleet, the Merrick Island and Bound Brook Island neighborhood, was a busier place. Back in the days before the Herring River Dike constricted water flow in the early 1900s. Before that, the increased water flow allowed some commerce out here, stuff like saltworks and small-scale boat building. Now, this splendid bridge seems a bit lonely. What? Some kind of scat. Hopefully not human. I guess. This is a bear. Or something worse.